In today's fast paced sales environment, small and medium sized businesses need more than just a spreadsheet to manage relationships, pipelines, and team collaboration. That's where Raynet CRM steps in, a user friendly and visually clean CRM platform built to streamline sales activities from lead capture to deal closing. Raynet stands out with its ease of use, flexible customization, and modern design. It's not just for sales teams, it's for any business that wants to centralize client information, improve communication, and track growth with minimal learning curve. In this video, we'll walk through how to get started with Raynet CRM, cover its key features that make it a standout tool for sales and client management, and show you why it's a strong choice for growing teams. So simply head over raynetcrm.com and you can try their CRM platform for free. So simply click here on try for free and sign up for an account. Now, after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to your dashboard right here. So basically, you'll see these tutorials right here or instructions on how to get started. So as you can see, they will let you create a new account. So just click right here, enter your account name or title. Let's just say test, enter the category. So from here, you can edit the status. So basically, this can be potential, current, deferred, or uninteresting, either customer, partner, supplier, or competitor. So let's say customer, potential, and you can add in the contact details right here and click on save. So as you can see, we have now created our first account. So let's check out how to use the lists. Click on OK. So as you can see, these are all filtering, list appearance, and edit. You can edit your columns. So we have all these features right here in the account section. So we can also change the column order by simply clicking and dragging. So we can also edit the column selection for this list. Edit, we don't need to do that right now. So basically here are the features. So first we have the getting started section right here. So of course, if you want to get started, this might help. So you can do all of this getting started instructions or steps right here, such as importing your contacts using Excel. You can add more colleagues or users. You can take a look at the Raynet add-ons and integrations, customize your records, your dashboard. You can set permissions on all this. So now I'm going to walk you through each feature or section. So first is our dashboard section. So from here, as you can see, you'll see everything you need to see in your workflow, such as the analysis or sales development, your sales pipeline. You'll see it right here. You can see all of your notes right here. You can also add it right here also. You'll see the list of activities, and of course you can always customize your dashboard, such as adding a new panel, and of course moving this tables right here. Next we have the inbox section. Of course, to see your inbox you'll need to connect your email, so simply click on link email and just select whether you want to connect your Gmail or Outlook email. You can also use other emails. Next, we have our calendar. So basically a basic feature of a CRM, which is our calendar. So of course, it's really easy to use the calendar right here. So basically, just click on the date and time. And of course, it works the same as Google or Microsoft Calendar or your Outlook calendar. So you can set a new appointment or task right here, set the date and time. You can either create a meeting, an event, a phone call, or a letter. Next, we have our contact section. So in our contact section, as you can see, basically this is the accounts. This is what we did earlier. So you can create new contacts or accounts right here. You can either select contacts, you can either select leads. So to add a new one, just click on the plus icon right here in the top right and fill up all of this information. Next, we have the business section. So from here, you will see your uh, deals. As you can see, you can create your first deal or add a new deal right here. Just fill up all of this information. You can also see our business board. So basically, as you can see, this is just the report or the overview of your business. You can see your deals, your sales orders, the products, and price lists. Next is the activities. So from here, you'll see all of your tasks, your meetings, your events, your emails, your phone calls, and your letters. And of course, you'll see all of this in the All Activities section. Next, we have our documents. So from here, you can upload your files or documents. So let's say you have documents or photos or videos that you need for your workspace or for your organization. You can always add them right here. And take note that all of the documents right here you can share this to all of your team members or all of the users in Raynet CRM. And last is the analysis section. So from here, of course, you'll see all of these reports, such as your sales pipeline performance, estimates, and all this stuff right here. So what's good about this CRM is whenever you open a section, it will automatically be added in the tabs right here in the top. So let's, of course, if you are bombarded with so much tabs, you can always close these. So let's say you're just working on your deals and your contacts, you can always slide through the tabs right here. So basically, these are all of the basic features and how to get started with Raynet CRM. So basically, the first thing that you need to do is go here to getting started, follow all of these steps right here, and feel free to explore more about its features yourself. So after exploring, you'll just get the hang of how to use Raynet CRM and you'll get used to it in no time. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.